Oh my God. Just when I thought this case couldn't get any more bizarre, the state is seeking third-degree murder based on child abuse? Is the court going to give this any serious contention or consideration? Because if so, we have a lot of talking to do. We can start with Mr. Manti dumped all of this on us sometime around 7:30 this morning. There was an email, oh, by the way, we've changed our lesser included request from aggravated assault to third-degree murder based on child abuse, and put 10 or 15 cases that obviously he has spent hours, if not days, if not in fact maybe more than a year plotting for this moment when he can spring it on us and the court. Somewhere we wondered why the state would put this vague allegation in the information that Trayvon Martin was 17. No other charge of child abuse, no evidence of anything other than this statement that Trayvon Martin was a minor, 17 years old. First of all, I moved to strike it as surplusage because it's not related to any element of the offense for which George Zimmerman is charged, nor related to any conceivable lesser included offense. So I guess what's happened now since the time that the state filed its information in April, that they've been lying in wait, collecting all this loosely connected child abuse case law where 2-year-olds have been shot by someone who was reckless with a gun, or some child exposed to horrible deprivation or abuse resulting in death. Just so at this moment, on the day of closing arguments, we would have to deal with it. Well, I can say it's certainly consistent with the way this case has proceeded since April, but it's certainly just as disingenuous as well. This is outrageous. It's outrageous that the state would seek to do this at this time in this case. Now, if the court wants to recess for several hours so we can research and review these cases, draft a memo of law, we can do that, and we certainly are entitled to the opportunity to respond in a meaningful way. But it's just hard for me to imagine that the court could take this seriously. Certainly the court wasn't provided with the case law either, nor given any hint that this is where this was going to go.